Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if it appears you do not have an applicable device linked to your Microsoft account when you're accessing the Microsoft or Windows Store. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is just open up the Start menu, type in WS Reset. Best result should come back with WS Reset. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. Give it a moment here. And then hopefully once your Windows Store or Microsoft Store has relaunched, you can go enter back in your login credentials and then it should be accessed normally. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.